and now I want to get monetized in the next 90 days. I believe in myself. I didn't think I was gonna cry. Hi. The last month has been an absolute whirlwind. There have been very high highs and very low lows. So this is a story of celebration, of tears, of 14-hour days, and of hope. This is the story of month 1. Our story starts 30 days ago. I had just moved to a brand new city, to San Francisco, 5 days earlier, and I was devastated. I had originally moved to San Francisco after applying to this 3-month in-person incubator program. In my hubris, I thought that I was a sure-in in the program, that of course I would be accepted. I was wrong. So there I am, stuck in a 3-month lease in a brand new city with no friends or family around, having freshly been rejected from the program of my dreams. Not a very fun place to start off the story, I know, but I promise it gets better. I'm sitting there at the kitchen table, unpacked boxes littering the floor, feeling more alone than I had felt in a very, very long time. At that moment, I decided to do something that I always do when I'm feeling lost or hurt or confused. I started to journal. And through that process of that deep journaling session, I realized something. Yes, I could spend the next 3 months alone in this apartment, wallowing in rejection, loneliness, and self-pity. Or I could take advantage of this 3-month distraction-free environment and step up and do something to become the person that I wanted to be and to get closer to the life that I wanted to live. Yes, I got rejected from this program, and yes, it frickin' sucked, but why did I need them in order to pursue my own dreams? I had this 3-month time frame, I had this apartment. Why couldn't I create my own 3-month program? At that point, this YouTube channel was just under 3 months old. I had 559 subscribers, and I was embarrassed to say that number out loud. So I decided to change that. Right then and there, I committed to my own challenge. I would do everything in my power to get my YouTube channel monetized within 3 months. As I wrapped up my journaling session, I wrote, "By the end of these 3 months, I will be monetized. I can make great videos. I know it. Now it's time for everyone else to see it as well." I ended my journaling session, looked around the apartment, and took in all of the boxes and the trash and the moving chaos. The space available to me was by no means in studio condition, but I didn't let that stop me. I rearranged the furniture so I had a blank corner, I pulled in some plants, I popped my little portable LED light behind me, and I filmed the first video of this challenge. In the video, I publicly announced my goal to get monetized within 90 days, and I publicly committed to uploading not 1, not 2, but 3 videos per week for the duration of the challenge. The next day, I edited the video. In the morning after that, heart pounding so fast, I thought I was gonna pass out, I hit publish. And just like that, my challenge was out there for everyone to see. If I failed or if I quit, everyone would know. There was no going back. And I didn't make things easy for myself either. I really don't know what possessed me to commit to 3 videos per week. Prior to that, I had only ever managed to upload 1 video per week, max. That pace of video creation was completely unheard of for me. But after I hit publish on that first video, the comments started rolling in. Yes, I had a very small audience, but the viewers who were there showed up. They were rooting for me, and they believed in me, and I wasn't going to let them down. So that week I locked in hard. My week looked like this. My days looked like waking up at 7, showering and eating breakfast until 8, journaling from 8 to 8:30, and then working non-stop until 9:30 at night or later. It was a whirlwind, this intense non-stop rush of ideating and scripting and filming and editing and uploading on repeat. I didn't have time to do housework or to even fully unpack. I didn't even really have time to cook meals for myself or to eat. But it didn't matter. Nothing mattered except getting the next video out. And in that week, I succeeded in doing something that I had never done before. I uploaded 3 videos in 1 week. The dishes were piling up, my stomach was often rumbling in hunger, But I succeeded in my upload goal. And despite the costs, I was ready to continue creating at that breakneck pace until a particular clip from MrBeast found me, gripped my very soul, and completely changed the way that I thought about YouTube. I'll play it for you now, and we can reconvene afterwards.
The best way to get views, in my opinion, I think it's better to really focus on quality if you're a very small YouTuber, and you can upload a video a day and like all the videos be average, and like none of those videos will really stand out. None of it's like epic enough where like the algorithm's gonna go, oh, this video is good, like we need to spread it. I feel like a lot of small YouTubers, they just post like videos that aren't bad, but they're not great, and they just do that, and none of them ever pop off, so they never get an audience. Where it might be better to like, you know, upload half or a third or even like a fifth of the videos, but make the videos you upload so freaking good that like the algorithm has to promote it, and that, you know, it has to find audiences for it, because it's such an interesting and good video. When you like set a consistent schedule and you're constantly having to upload videos that aren't as good as you'd like because you got to hit, oh, this Monday I said I'd upload every Monday, you know, like that's a dangerous trap, because then, you know, the viewers notice that the quality isn't as good and it makes them less likely to watch, and I think it hurts your longevity.
Dang. MrBeast was right. Sure, I could physically create 3 videos per week, but that left me no time at all to deliberately improve. The 3 videos I released weren't bad, at least I think so, but they weren't particularly stellar either. Each of them only brought in a few hundred views. If I wanted to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in time, I needed to do better. If I wanted to bring in more views, I had to make a video that was so freaking good, the YouTube algorithm had to promote it. So going into week 2, my strategy changed. Screw the upload schedule. I would dedicate every single brain cell I had to creating the best video I had ever made. It would take as long as it needed to make it happen. So I slowed things way down. I cleaned my apartment and I meal prepped so I had enough energy to carry me through the week. I spent a full day thinking about a compelling enough video topic, title, and thumbnail. I made multiple versions of the title and thumbnail and sent it to all of my friends, asking for feedback. I spent 2 full days doing nothing but research, resulting in a document over 50 pages long. I worked through multiple versions of my script, cutting it and tweaking it and polishing it until I finally felt like it was clear and compelling enough. I brought in some different plants and decor, building myself a proper studio setup to film in. I spent days editing, paying special attention to the hook, and even creating custom visuals for each and every point. It took a full week of dedicated non-stop work, but I made my video. And when it came time to upload, I was terrified. What if it performed no better than the videos that I'd taken a fraction of the time to make? What if all of the extra work that I had put into it was for nothing? What if it flopped? With shaking hands, I uploaded. And it did okay. A couple hundred views in the first 10 hours wasn't bad for my channel. Then I went to sleep and I woke up to the most viewed video my channel had ever seen. The comments were absolutely insane. I thought this channel had 500K minimum. This is the best channel I've seen recently. This will go viral. The video didn't end up going viral. It flattened out around 3,000 views, but the results were staggering. Over 200 watch hours and nearly 70 subscribers from that video alone. MrBeast was right. The extra work that I had poured into that video was absolutely worth it. I repeated the process for another video and had also overperformed, bringing in over 1,000 views. Now I approach every new video with the same mindset. Do whatever it takes to make the best video possible, no matter what. I started this challenge 30 days ago with 559 subscribers and 329 watch hours. After 1 month, I'm at 830 subscribers and 765 watch hours. And that's just the external growth. Internally, by showing up for this channel, I also showed up for myself. I went from rejected, scared, and alone only 30 days ago to now feeling the most inspired and empowered I have in a very, very long time. They say that sometimes you don't get what you want because what you need is coming. And honestly, I can now say that I am genuinely grateful for that rejection all those weeks ago. That rejection lit a fire in me. And the result was this challenge, this growth, and hundreds of people rooting for me and believing in me every step of the way. But this journey is by no means over. I still have 2 months to go. I'm getting emotional because, oh my God. It's just been the greatest month. And I'm so thankful for all of the support and everyone believing in me and everybody rooting for me. I didn't think I was gonna cry. The amount of just support that I've received over the last 30 days has been astounding. And I truly, truly could not have done it without everybody. And all the positive comments and all the positive words. YouTube has just been the most positive space ever. And I'm so, so thankful to all of you for that. That wasn't part of my script. Okay. Bring it back in. As I was saying, this journey is by no means over. I still have 2 months to go. So if you want to support, leave a thumbs up and a comment below and a subscribe if you want to. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.